Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make colors in Infinite Craft fastest method. So now just follow along and I'll show you how to make the basic colors here in Infinite Craft. So the first thing that we need is water, plus water to create lake, and then you want to add water again to create ocean, and then add earth again to create island, and then add island again to create continent, add lake to create US America. And then you want to go duplicate that and add lake into the other one. And then once you have Niagara Falls, the next thing is you want to go add earth into the other America, combine these two together to create New York. And then you want to add fire right here, and then you want to add it to New York. You'd have 911, and then you want to go for water and earth to create plant. Once you have plant, add another plant to create tree, and then add fire and fire to create volcano. And then you want to go for earth right here, and then add wind into it to create dust. And then you want to combine it with volcano to create ash, combine it with tree to create pencil. And then you want to add ash to pencil again to create crayon, add water to create color, and combine it with 911. And now you have red. And now let's save this red right here. And then the next thing is we're going to go for color right here. And then we're going to go for ocean and island, and then combine it to color to create blue. So now we have blue, and then we want to duplicate these two to create purple, and now we have purple. So the next thing is we want to go for red right here, duplicate that and add color to create pink. And now we have 4 of them. The next thing is we're going to go for fire and red right here to create hot. So once you have hot, the next thing is you basically would want to go for dust plus earth right here. So we're gonna go for dust right here. And now we have planet, and then once you have planet, the next thing is you want to go for red, and then you want to go for planet plus planet right here. So once you have that, and then add another planet, and then another planet again to create sun. And then once you have sun, you want to go for plant. And now once you have plant here, you want to add color into it, and then you want to add sun to create sunflower, and then add color again to create yellow. So now we have yellow right here, and now we can just dispose of this. And then the next thing is we are gonna go for yellow right here and combine it with red to create orange. So now we have orange. And then the next thing is you would need to go for blue right here. And then you want to combine it with yellow, and now you have green, and now here it is. So basically you'll just be mixing colors depending on what you want, so you can try and experiment on your own to get your desired color if you don't have the color that you would want to make right here. So these are just the basics, and that is basically it. Thank you for watching.